Hey guys, Jean Marie Vega here, and here I'm talking to you about the Garvee plant box. So this is something that's super easy. It does come with two. We only are showing you how to put one together. They are put together simultaneously, so it's the same. The one thing I will say is they do have a lot of screws, so just plan for probably about 30 minutes of your time to put one together, but it's not too bad whatsoever. Once you have it together, it works so perfectly. It is an open bottom, so you can put whatever you like on the bottom to work for your garden, but it's able and it's very deep, so you get a lot out of it. We took some mesh for the bottom to keep the dirt in from falling out all over the place, and we put some all over, and it was able to hold so much dirt, and I was able to put a ton of vegetables in it. This really is withstands weather and so forth, and we're able to use it for our perfect little garden, and we absolutely love it, and it does come with two.